In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Magnific AI Desktop API. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to safely copy the key you need for your desktop workflow. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Magnific app site. Make sure you're on the official domain, and if prompted, sign into your account. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. This opens a quick menu with your account options. From here, choose Settings to enter your account configuration area, where all your user preferences and developer tools live. On the left-hand sidebar of Settings, select API Keys. This is where Magnific centralizes access tokens used by external tools and desktop apps. You'll see the option to create a new key. Click Create to start a fresh API key specifically for your desktop use. Creating a dedicated key helps you manage access cleanly and disable it later without affecting other integrations. Next, choose the API you want this key to work with. Select the Magnific AI Desktop API from the available options so the key is scoped for desktop usage. After the key is created, you'll see it listed. Click the three dots next to the key to open more actions. Use Edit if you want to rename the key for clarity, add a note describing where it's used, or adjust any available permissions or limitations. Clear naming now makes it much easier to manage multiple keys later. When you're ready to use it, click to copy the API key. Treat this like a password. Keep it private, avoid sharing it in screenshots or code repositories, and store it securely, ideally in a password manager or your project's encrypted secrets. If you ever think the key has been exposed, return to this page, use the menu to revoke or regenerate it, and update your desktop app accordingly. That's it. You went to Magnific, opened your profile, entered settings, navigated to API keys, created a key, chose the desktop API, reviewed options via the three-dot menu, and copied the key securely for use in your desktop setup.